So hey guys, welcome back to Technomaster. So today I have got this MZ Bluetooth speaker M3 model number. This is a full metal build mini Bluetooth speaker. This is very small size Bluetooth speaker. So I've got this for 300 Indian rupees, and this comes with 4 hours of playback time, long lasting battery, wireless, and it can also work as TWS. So let's start with the unboxing of this product, guys. So here you go, guys. So this is the main speaker. Wow, it looks so premium, guys. As you can see, it I got it in red color and it is full metal build, and you can see the speaker grill, and this is the on off switch, as you can see, and this comes with micro USB charging port, and red color looks so premium, guys. As you can see, it is looking so much beautiful. Now apart from this, guys, we have got this keyring knot, and we have one charging cable. These are the box content. Now this is the speaker. Now let me just power this on. We have to long press the button.
Welcome to MC Music World. Bluetooth mode.
Wow, you can see the 3 lights. Okay, so we have MZ branding over here. You can see the size, guys. It is very small and very beautiful, guys. The metal build looks so much premium. So that's all for now, guys. This is very good gadget. You can buy this. It's a big thumbs up from me. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to this channel to get more such videos in future. Thank you, guys.